What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another math puzzle. In this one, the question is as follows. Can you correctly evaluate the following expression? We have 3 squared factorial divided by 2 cubed factorial times 1 factorial times 0 factorial. You have to choose from one of the 4 options below. Hit that pause button and see if you can figure it out. When you're ready, hit play and I'll give you the explanation. So order of operations dictates that we have to carry out these exponents first. So 3 squared is actually 9, divided by 2 cubed, 2 times 2 times 2, that's 8 factorial, times 1 factorial, which is just 1, right? And here's the interesting bit. Some of you guys might think that 0 factorial is going to be 0, but there's a special rule with 0 and factorial. 0 factorial is actually 1, so that's kind of interesting, right? And now let's go back to these other factorials. Technically, I should have evaluated these ones first, but I didn't, and there's a reason, okay? 9 factorial is a huge number, okay? So is 8 factorial. 9 factorial is 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4, etc., right? So it's this huge number. I'm not gonna go through the process of calculating it because there's a little shortcut here. Because once we evaluate these two, we're gonna divide next. Then we're gonna multiply and multiply. And these multiplications are actually irrelevant. So times 1, it's just multiplying by 1. It's not going to change anything. So we're going to just get rid of this. We don't have to worry about it. Now we've got this 9 factorial divided by 8 factorial. So this is very interesting. I'm going to write out 9 factorial without actually calculating it. So we have 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. On the bottom, I'm going to write out 8 factorial. 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So now we have it all laid out. Again, you can carry out the multiplication if you want, or you can be a little slicker with it and recognize, ooh, 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. That exists in both of these. So we can just cancel these out like so, cancel these out like so, and look what we're left with, 9, which means 9 is the winner, C is the answer. That's how you do it. Done. I hope you guys enjoyed this math puzzle, and if you did, please click that like button. If you want to see more math puzzles on the regular, make sure to click subscribe. Thank you guys so much for joining. We'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.